Humans are not destructive by nature. In fact, we can act as keystone species in reviving the Earth's water cycle. By holding water within the Earth, decentralized water retention, we can create positive ripple effects through the web of life. By storing the seasonal rains in the Earth, terracing the hillsides, and growing forests, we can infiltrate water back into the ground. With a newfound respect for water, we learn to cultivate the landscape in symbiosis with nature, nurturing ecosystems to produce our food, material, and medicine. The forests transpire water, cooling the air and shading the earth. The heat dissipates. Coastal humidity is drawn inland as the trees seed the air with hygroscopic microorganisms, forming clouds and then rain once again. The rain easily enters the cool, vegetated soil, rehydrating the earth's body with blood. Springs come back to life, rivers are revived, and aquatic life returns to the rivers, lakes, and oceans. In the revived water cycle, fresh water from the oceans is recharged back into the earth. The water cycle, and with it a healthy and productive climate on Earth, are restored.